Okay, back to the topic polynomial. So let's do with the first exercise, the very first question, the basic question which can come in the one marker. Now you know that the MCQs questions are coming in the CBSE paper, or in all the papers of the all the schools, it's a private or a government school, but the MCQs are coming in the board exam. So we have to practice from the 9th class onwards. So all the schools are following the MCQ pattern, and like first 20 questions are the MCQs or like fill in the blanks, whatever it is. So the first question: which of the following expression are polynomial in one variable and which are not? State the reason for your answer. The first part, 4x square minus 3x plus 7. One basic concept is we are dealing with the polynomial in one variable first of all. Second thing, a variable should have a positive power. If it's a negative power or a root is there or a fractional power is there, so we are saying that polynomial as not a, that expression is not a polynomial. The first example, the whole question has a power as positive, so we have polynomial in one variable. The second one, we are x y square plus root 2. Y is having a power as 2, which is a again it's a polynomial in one variable. One variable means that there should be a variable should be 1, not 2 3 4. It cannot. The third part, the 3 root t square plus t root t 2. That means that we have t as root t. So in t, I can write as root t ko, I can write it as root t half, which makes the power as fractional root. That is why with the root it becomes the power as fractional. If it is root cube root, then also t raised to by 1 by 3, which is not possible, which is not a polynomial. So as the power of t is not a whole number, so it cannot be a polynomial. Now in the fourth one, y plus 2 by y hai. So 2 by y becomes your 2 into y raised to power minus 1, because if you remember the law of exponents, if the, any variable is in the denominator, then when it goes into numerator, the degree of that variable becomes negative. Okay, so that is how, again it's not a whole number, it's again a degree as a negative, so it is not a polynomial. The reason is the same. Thank you so much. Please keep watching for the next.